To visualize the reconstructed series of images in three-dimensional space, click the Volume Rendering button on the toolbar of the 3D module. A progress bar will indicate the rendering progress. Once completed, a fourth panel will be added to the MPR viewport, displaying the 3D volume rendering. Basic operations, such as window leveling, zooming, and panning, can be performed as usual by selecting the appropriate tool from the toolbar and moving the mouse over a panel while holding down the left mouse button. To change the representation of the displayed volume, select one of the presets available in the drop-down menu located at the bottom right corner of the panel. To rotate the volume, click the Interaction with 3D Model button on the toolbar. Then, hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse up or down to rotate the volume around the x-axis, or left and right to rotate it around the y-axis. The Model Interaction button is also accessible from the context menu, which can be opened by right-clicking the panel. Volume rotation can also be performed by pressing and dragging the middle mouse button directly. To rotate the volume around the z-axis, right-click the panel to open the context menu and select the Roll button. Then, drag the left mouse button over the volume. To remove unwanted structures inside a specific area, right-click the panel to open the context menu and select the Cut Inside button from the Scissors submenu. Hold down the left mouse button and draw the desired area. Once the mouse button is released, the system will remove the portion of the volume inside the drawn area. To remove unwanted structures outside a specific area, select the Cut Outside button instead. To crop the volume, right-click the panel to open the context menu and select the Cropping Cube button. Then, drag the white spheres with the left mouse button to resize the cropping cube. To restore the volume to its original state and revert any portion removal, click the Restore Volume button in the context menu. Click the Volume Rendering button again to close the Volume Rendering panel.